What's up, internet? What's up, my people? My name is Rawlings. I'm coming to you from East Africa. And this is crypto news updates. Just wanted to give you major groundbreaking crypto updates that are happening now that would transform the crypto landscape. So these updates are just meant to open your mind on what is happening and what is the future of crypto and what you should be doing about it. So just hold on there and don't move that channel. So the first big one is that Standard Chartered Bank, this Asian-based bank, has started holding, they've opened a crypto custody such that you can be able to go and deposit your crypto there for them to keep it for you. Standard Chartered Bank has started a service that will be able to keep people's crypto safe. Crypto custody is the same way they keep your money, the same way you deposit money in a bank. You'll now be able to keep your crypto safe in Standard Chartered Bank. This is one of the biggest banks in the world. They're based in Hong Kong. They have started a service to be able to keep a custody to receive deposits of cryptocurrencies. Standard is a big bank. It's one of the most conservative banks in the world, and this means that there's a growing acceptance of crypto globally. Standard is it's one of the biggest banks in the world. So this means that banks are beginning to accept crypto as an asset, a digital asset. So this means there's a confidence growing in the crypto market. So that means more and more money is going to flow into the crypto ecosystem. So this means the value of crypto assets is set to skyrocket, to jump on a big scale. So that's a big one, guys. Standard has opened a crypto custody. The next one about Standard still is that the Standard research team has predicted that Bitcoin is going to be worth $500,000 in the next 2 to 3 years. In the next 3 to 5 years, the Bitcoin is going to be worth 500,000 according to Standard research team. So that's one of the big updates that I wanted to bring to you. This means that there'll be more money flowing from institutions into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So this means there's a mainstreaming of the crypto ecosystem. That means more capital will be flowing into these assets, and therefore if you have your investments in crypto, they have a higher potential of ballooning, of just going up. So that's one of the bigger updates that I wanted to give you. And then the next one is that the US regulator, the US securities regulator, SEC, Securities Exchange Commission, has opened the door for US banks to start holding crypto assets. So that means American banks can now start accumulating assets, crypto assets. They can start buying Bitcoin, they can start buying Ethereum, can start buying Solana and other crypto assets like XRP. So this means institutional money held by companies and banks is now beginning to flow into crypto assets. So remember, crypto assets was being funded by retail only, by individuals. Crypto investments were being driven by individual investments. But now banks have been allowed by the government of the United States to start putting their money, to start buying crypto assets, crypto securities. These are like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, ADA, and all that, Litecoin and all that. So this means there will be capital flows that has been avoiding the crypto market. Now the taps of capital are being opened, and capital from banks and other institutions will be flowing into the crypto ecosystem. This is a game changer. It's an explosion. This is huge. So this is a big deal, guys. So this is one of the major updates that you need to be aware of. A huge update. And the next big one is that US pension funds are beginning also to invest in crypto. The US pension funds and one pension fund in the UK. So these pension funds are some of the most conservative funds when it comes to risk investments. They hold very small exposure on stocks because of their risk-averse nature. Now, if these funds are investing in crypto, and pension funds have very huge capital reserves, so they are opening doors into the crypto ecosystem. So we expect massive growth in the crypto community because of the pension funds. Pension funds hold huge amounts of money. So this has been seen by some people as being a risky move. But all the same, Michigan State Pension Fund and Wisconsin State Pension Fund, and Michigan State Pension Fund are some of the funds that have already invested in crypto. And there's one in the UK that is not mentioned as of now, that have already acquired Bitcoin as part of their assets. And also the endowment funds of various universities in the US, like Harvard, which has already acquired positions in BlackRock ETF, to University of Austin, Texas, has already invested in Grayscale ETF. So basically ETFs are just features of Bitcoin, features of crypto assets. Emory University of Atlanta, Georgia has also bought ETFs from Grayscale. So ETFs are basically exchange-traded funds, which are derivatives that represent crypto assets. So we're seeing massive investments in crypto, coming from institutions. So institutional capital flows are getting into the crypto assets. This is a huge, big deal. This means there'll be massive inflation, massive rise, massive capital growth, massive capital gains in the crypto community. So if you're holding those assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Stellar, and all those, Shiba Inu and all those, they'll be experiencing a rapid growth because of these inflows of institutional money that has been staying out because of fear. So guys, that's it, guys. That's a huge development. It's a huge development. So the other one that you also need to know is that FTX that was being run, that went under, the FTX crypto exchange that went under, ran by Sam Bankman-Fried just a few years ago, has released $1.2 billion to people who lost money. So that's a huge positive for the industry. $1.2 billion has been refunded back to people who lost their money. So some people have gotten some money back. So that's a huge vote of confidence. It's a massive vote of confidence. And the next one is that the Argentinian president, Javier Milei, has denied promoting a meme coin that so many people lose their money after it was launched, and then it grew, and then it went bust. A similar meme coin that was launched by the president of Central African Republic has also gone bust just a few minutes or a few hours after being launched. So these are some of the challenges that are happening in crypto. But I think now the meme wave is running out of steam. But basically, guys, those are huge developments that have just happened in the crypto society. Banks have been allowed by the United States to start holding crypto assets. That's a massive move. It's a huge move. Standard Chartered Bank, Standard, has begun a crypto custody whereby they're holding people's crypto assets to keep them safe from being stolen. So they are holding crypto assets. So this means that they'll be accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other assets from people to keep them on their behalf because of the risks associated with hacking. That's massive. And then third one is that the pension funds, just on a summary, on a quick one, the pension funds of United States and the UK have begun investing in Bitcoin and other crypto-backed assets. Pension funds hold massive funds. So we are looking at institutional capital flowing into the crypto ecosystem, and the crypto ecosystem is worth $3 trillion. So most of this money is from retail investors, from you and me. Now, when pension funds and commercial banks get into the game, we are looking at multi-trillion funds, possibly quadrillion dollars flowing into the crypto ecosystem. So guys, this is a huge game. This is a massive game, and you don't want to be staying on the fence. This is a huge development. This is big. It's a big deal. So we're going to see massive rally in crypto assets in the few months, and the next couple of months. We're going to see a huge rally, massive appreciation of crypto tokens and crypto assets in the coming months and years. So this is very interesting development, massive development that is happening. The opening of institutional capital into the crypto in the crypto community, the crypto sector, the crypto ecosystem. This is huge. So thank you guys for watching this video, and God bless you.